Thank you, RL Muse, and thank you, Sir Eric, for this wonderful and beautiful amazing knowledge shop. Highly recommended from Smart City. Check this out, guys.
Thank you, RL News, for this wonderful, amazing laundry na ginawa niyo sa amin. Thank you, Sir Eric, Sir Don, Sir Jason. Gabay pa nga tagaan sa maayong pagmadamo na customer ang aming laundry. Thank you, RL News. Thank you. God bless.
Walang hirap, walang abala, sa tubay libre. Kahit anong disenyo sila'y katulong.
Thank you, RL News. Thank you, Sir Eric, for this beyond amazing and perfectly beautiful laundry shop. Highly recommended. Very much legit. More power to you, Sir Eric and RL News.
Wow, wow, bagong negosyo, ang saya'y umarangkada.
Thank you, RL News. Thank you, Sir Eric, for wonderful about you. That's thank you.
Ng bayan, RL News.
Katuwang lahat, asenso'y kay sarap pala.
Thank you so much, RL News.
The is beyond our expectation. So nakita nyo naman, napakaganda. Nagawan talaga nila ng paraan kahit napakalit ng pwesto. Kasi kung titignan nyo, the best talaga. RL News, Diyos mga
Thank you, RL News. Thank you, Sir Eric. More than I can imagine. Sinobrahan mo pa. Ganda-ganda. Dream come true. Salamat ng napakarami.
Thank you, RL News. Thank you, Sir Eric.
Thank you for this wonderful laundry shop here at JMJ Pinagsama Village, Taguig.